In this video, I will show you how to edit WooCommerce products description. First of all, open any browser and log in to your WordPress account. To edit WooCommerce products description, take your mouse on the products option from the bar menu at the left side. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on All Products. All your products will appear at the right side. Select the product you want to edit. On the next page, you can edit stuff related to your product. Scroll down and you will see the product description section. Here you can add or remove the text according to your requirement. Also, different options are available to edit your product's description. You can design it the way you want, like here's the option to change text alignment. You can also add different tags if you want. And if you want to insert the link in the description, then first select the desired part of the text. Then click on the hyperlink icon from the options available at the top. A URL link field will appear. Now open a new tab and go to the site whose link you want to insert in your product description. Copy its link. Then go back to the WooCommerce product editing page and paste the link here in the URL field. After that, click on this arrow to apply it. And now you can see that the link has been inserted. Next, if you want to add an image, then click on Add Media. Select the image you want to add and click on Insert into Product. Here you can see that the image has been uploaded. Now scroll down and you will see the product short description. You can edit it in the same way. After that, scroll up and click on Update at the right side. Once the changes have been saved, click on Preview Changes to view the changes.